What's up, everybody? Welcome back to The Art of Crypto, the best place for you to learn crypto trading and crypto investing. Now, Audio USDT called this 2 days ago, found perfect support at the 200 simple moving average. I predicted that there was going to be a double bottom and it will shoot up. Cypher super deep in the red, trigger wave. It should boom, right? Look at this, boom. From where I called it, you would have had a maximum 30 to 35% profits. Moving on, Dark USDT called this 5 days ago. I said that would be a potential head and shoulders formation. So it would have been a great short, and indeed, look what happened, exactly finding support at my line. So this would have been, if you would have taken that short, that would have been a 15% profit. Now, AXS USDT called this 2 days ago. Textbook bull penning. It's still within the bull penning, but it's chill because it's still within the bull penning, which means there is still a high likelihood that it's gearing up for another run, right? Look out for the 4-hour market cipher to print a nice little trigger wave, and we will be after the races. See, on the 1-hour chart, we're already finding some kind of bottom. So you can still look to get in on AXS USDT. These are the targets. And moving on, Comb USDT. Now this is a smaller cap coin, so it's on KuCoin, but ascending triangle wedge, so higher likelihood of it breaking up to the upside. And indeed, from the point that I called it, it did in fact pump by more than about 50% maximum profits if you would have gotten in. But of course, I didn't share that with anybody. So from now on, I will be calling these charts on YouTube. So keep an eye out for that.